If you have used Capcut Pro in your Windows PC, you might have been faced with this challenge the moment you finish editing your video and you click on export to export your video, and you will notice that there are pro features that you actually needed to pay for. And all these things poses a challenge. I'm going to show you how you can use Capcut Pro for free in your Windows PC, and it is the Lego way of using it. Remember, we are going to download Capcut direct from Capcut official website. We're going to use all the features all for free. It is not a cracked version. It has no watermark. Everything we're going to use here is 100% free and Lego. Remember, for you to use Capcut, you need to get it direct from the official website of Capcut. I do not promote illegal use of Capcut. I support that you get it direct from their website and use it for whatever purpose you wish to use it for. Let's get started. First, you just need to make sure you download Capcut from the official website of Capcut, or you can go over to the Microsoft Store and click on it, and on the search bar you can just go ahead and type Capcut. Like here now, you can just go ahead and type this Capcut here, press your enter. You will see that we have Capcut here, which is for free. You can just click on install to get it installed in your PC. For me, I've already installed Capcut in my PC. Now, having installed the Capcut in your PC, and the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to launch that Capcut. You can see this is my own. Now, click on this settings. We're going to click on this. Now, make sure you just copy this file path. You can see exactly where all the things you are editing on your Capcut Pro, the destination of each file is going to be here. Make sure you copy this link, and once you copy it, open your notepad or any text editor and go ahead and paste it. Let me open my Microsoft Word and just paste it here. Now, having done that, you can just click on cancel, click on create project. Now I wait for the interface to open. The moment it opens here, now I'm going to drag the files that I'm going to work with. Okay, I will drag it in here. Let me go ahead and select those files that I wish to work with in this very place. Now, having done that, I just need to drag it here, and here I can just place it accordingly the way I want it to actually be. Now you can see the files that I want to work with from this very end. Okay, so I just need to kind of do a little bit of rearrangement, and I'm going to do a little editing here, add some transitions that uses pro feature, and at the end we see what we actually want to achieve. Okay, so that's just what I want to show us from this very end. Now here we have transitions that we can actually use. You can just click on this area. You see a whole lot of pro features from this very end. You can just scroll down and select the particular one you need. Okay, you can see very many of them from this very place. So I just simply click on this and take it to here. Say okay. Now pick any other one, and you just drop it wherever you wish to drop it. You can see this. Now you can just go ahead and pick another one and drop it here. Now, having done that, let me just add one or two effects to what we have. Okay, I just go and scroll down and pick one or two effects from here. You can see all of this. Let me put it somewhere here. Let me put this somewhere here. Okay. Now, Having done this, the next thing I just wish to add is to add a little text on this very place. Now let me just edit that text, and let me just edit that text. Creative computer skills. You can go ahead and change the text font. You can reduce the size from this very end, and of course you can change also the font color and choose any one that you so wish to use. You can make it bold and drag it to the area where you want it to be. Okay, I want that text to be somewhere here. I think I will need something of this nature from here. Something more presentable and good looking. I think let's just go with this. Now, if you are done with this, let's say we extend this to here. The next thing you likely need to do is to click on export. You discover that you are presented with this particular interface, and this actually poses a problem. The next thing you just need to do is just click on back to edit, and once you are back to edit, just select all of this by clicking either your Ctrl A to select all. You can see what I did, or you just click Ctrl A and you select everything. The next thing after that is just right click and click on this create compound clip. Now you wait for this to be done. Now if you have done this, the next thing to do is to still right click and click on pre-process compound clip. Okay, now this will take a while to complete the percentage up to 100%. You allow it to complete up to 100%. You can see this is applying all the necessary features that we need from here. So let's allow it to be up to 100% so that we'll actually get what we need in this particular editing that we're doing. Remember, we want to know how we can use all the pro features for free and use it legally without any crack or watermark in our videos. So that's the aim of this video. So let's hold on while this completes to 100%, and the moment it completes up to 100%, we go ahead and achieve the particular aim that we need in this video. You can see this. So let's go ahead and get this done. You can see this is up to 100%. So after this is done, you can just copy that link I told you to copy at the beginning. Now you open your file explorer and paste that particular link and hit your enter. From here now you will see the name of this particular file we're working on, and this is it from this very place. Okay, so you double click on it to open it, click on resources and click on combination. Now once this is done, you can see what we have from here. So you just simply drag this to this very place. Okay, so you simply take it this way to this. Now you are going to hide the visibility of this first track that we have from here. Just click on this and this visibility is hidden, and this visibility is hidden. So if you click on export right now, you will discover that you can actually export all those pro features for free, and you can see it is already doing that for us. So let's just give it a little while this exports, and at the end I will play this video for you to see all of those pro features that we've added in this Capcut and you see the way it behaves. You can see all of that is also, it also wants to convert it to TikTok format, but I don't need that. I can just simply click on cancel. Now let's go and check on that particular video. If you look from here, you will see this is that video that we just exported. You can see actually there was no sound effect added to that video, and while this video is playing, you will see all those transitions that we added. You can see this very one. Okay, so, and this is just one of the ways you can actually add and use pro features in your CapCut legally without any issue. You can see I love this environment, what they are doing. Let's wait and see the next one. You can actually see it. So these are the way, this is just the simple way you can use CapCut for free in your PC. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you come back for more videos in this particular channel. Let me know your view on this particular video in the comment section. Thank you.